Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm with Kia of Everett's detail department, and today we're going to show you a few items that we do in our shop as far as cleaning your cars, accessories, window tint, paint protection films, that type of thing. Today we've got a couple items we can show you. We got full detail going on. We have an interior detail. One of my technicians is pulling the seats in a car so it can be steam cleaned. And I have another technician that's doing a window tint. So figure we could show you a few of the things that we do here, and hope you would consider us to bring your car to have it cleaned and reconditioned. Okay, today we have the advantage of being able to see a full detail on a vehicle that was just recently purchased. We're trying to get it delivery ready for the customer for later this afternoon. Part of our full detail includes engine compartment, polish the exterior of the vehicle and wax, clean the interior, clean the seats, shampoo the carpets, clean all the hard surfaces, the door panels, do door jams, and the rear, whether it be a lift gate, rear, or a trunk in a sedan, same thing applies. Once again, we have window tint going on a 2023 Kia Sportage. Lattice, our technician here, lays the tint out on the outside of the window so he can make a template, and then he installs the tint on the inside of the vehicle. This one helps to match the front doors to the back, so it's more aesthetically pleasing, but it also helps against heat and the sun transfer. Now today we have Brandon doing a used car detail on 2016 Kia Sportage. It's bad enough to where the seats need to come out to be steam cleaned, so we can clean them up as best as possible. There's quite a bit of dirt and hair in here that it also gives us access to clean the carpets on it. Well, those are a few of the things we do here at Kia of Everett's detail shop. I hope that it gives you a little information as far as some of the things we do. If you're interested in any of our services, you can give us a call, 425-609-5600, or you can check us out on the Kia of Everett website.